Life is a journey of connection, growth, and profound transformation. At its core, the most meaningful relationships are built on two pillars: leaving and cleaving. To leave is to prioritize the bond you share with your partner above all else, not out of obligation, but out of a deep, intentional choice. To cleave is to unite so completely that your lives become intertwined, creating a partnership that thrives on mutual respect, love, and unwavering commitment. Imagine a love so strong that it becomes a testament to the power of connection. A love where two individuals, once separate, now move as one, supporting, uplifting, and inspiring each other through every challenge and triumph. This is the essence of a lasting relationship, a bond that is not just felt but actively nurtured every single day. To leave is to step into a new chapter, where your partner becomes your anchor, your confidant, and your greatest ally. It's about creating a space where your relationship can flourish, free from the distractions of past ties. And to cleave is to embrace the beauty of unity, to hold on to each other with a grip that says, no matter what, we are in this together. This journey is not always easy, but it is always worth it. It requires vulnerability, courage, and a willingness to grow. It asks you to love fiercely, to respect deeply, and to cherish the person who stands by your side. When you leave and cleave, you create a love story that is not just about two people, but about the incredible power of human connection. So, take a moment to reflect on your own journey. Are you leaving behind what no longer serves your relationship? Are you cleaving to the person who shares your dreams, your struggles, and your heart? Remember, the greatest relationships are built on a foundation of love, respect, and the unwavering belief that together, you can conquer anything.